What's up, guys? How are you doing? Welcome to this week's edition of Forex Forecast. Last week was very amazing in market. If you were here with us last week, I shared with you guys 3 currency pairs and forecasted what those 3 currencies was going to be doing last week. And guess what? It went exactly as I predicted. This week again, I have 4 currency pairs that I want to share with you guys. Amazing, really amazing setups. Okay, if you stay with me to the end of this video, I'll share with you these currency setups, and trust me, you're going to make a lot of money with what I'll be sharing with you guys today. Okay, so let's that said, I do this every single week. If this is the first time on my channel, consider subscribing, click the thumbs up button so that every single time we do videos like this, you do not get to miss out. I do this every single week. This is the 40th episode. This is the 40th week I'm doing this every single week. Okay, so that's it. Let's dive right into the chart. Let me show you guys what we have for today. So let's start with Euro GBP. Sorry, let me put this out. Euro GBP was one of the currency pairs I predicted for you guys last week. I predicted that Euro GBP was going to come back to a Fibonacci level, hopefully the 38.2 level. I was precise enough to tell you guys that we probably might not get to a 61.8% retracement level, and we saw that play out exactly as I predicted. The market is back to about a 38.2 level right here, from swing low to swing high. This is where we are currently, between the 38.2 and 50% retracement. That was where I predicted for you guys that we're going to get a market bounce off, and that is already happening. Okay, so I shared with you guys last week also that my bias for Euro GBP is definitely going to be a buy, because we've had a higher high and a higher low. This was our previous high, which has been broken and closed. This was the previous low, which has been broken and closed. So we have a higher high and a new higher low. So definitely this market is we are clearly on an uptrend right now. So I'll just be looking for any opportunity to actually buy this market somewhere here. Okay, push all the way up. Okay, the market is already giving me like my favorite entry patterns. If you go on a 1 hour time frame, we're already seeing that we are having higher highs and higher lows. So I'm very hopeful that this market, the uptrend has already started. It has already started happening. So any bounce off again, probably from this trend line, I'm definitely going to be buying this market. Okay, but you, of course, you need to be careful. Like I already taught you guys, be careful of liquidity grabs that are always very close below trend lines. Okay, so this is actually the zone of entry, not just the trend line. Use this entire zone as its zone of entry. So any if the market decides to come here, do a liquidity grab, goes below this to grab liquidity, keep your eyes peeled. Any double bottom on that probably push this market all the way up. So if we're going to do entries on this, probably this is what our entry would definitely be looking like. Okay, so Euro GBP, I'm going in for a buy as when the market opens. I'll just wait for the market to drop a little bit more, look out for a liquidity grab. If that happens, then we are in for a buy on this trade, because we are definitely going to do it, probably maybe 1:3 on this particular trade. So keep your eyes peeled on Euro GBP. Now let's move on to Euro USD. Euro USD was I think was one of the currency pairs I predicted for you guys again last week. I told you guys that we are definitely going to get to this level right here. I shared with you guys last week that the market will likely drop to this blue level I marked for you guys last week, this 1.0544 zone, and which that clearly happened. We have the market drop, and the market looks like we're having a resistance from there, which is of course very typical. We should have a resistance from a support from there, because this is a very key level that's been tested twice in the past. So what am I expecting on Euro USD? My bias on Euro USD is actually going to be dual, because typically I will expect this market to do another drop on this zone. I'll be expecting this market to actually drop back to this zone again, to retest it for the second time before we actually decide where the market will likely be going to, where the market will likely go from here, which might just be up. Okay, but however, I'm not sure of the direction after we retest this the second time, but I can tell to a certain level of certainty, right, that this market will definitely drop back to retest this zone again, because that's typical how the forex market typically works. It might decide to do maybe a liquidity grab before we get a push up from that level. Okay, but either ways, this market, I can say to a level of certainty that this market will drop back to this level for a retest. So after the retest, when we see how the market has reacted in this particular zone, this support zone, then we might decide to, okay, either buy or sell depending on how the reaction actually happens. So for now, my bias on Euro USD is still a sell, okay, but we'll see what happens probably by the end of next week, by Thursday, Friday, and probably by Monday. By the time the market has probably retested this level, then we can see and predict where the market will likely go next after we see the reaction, right? So let's move on to AUD CAD. AUD CAD is another currency pair I have my eyes on. This market did something very, very painful last week. I was expecting the market to actually respect this resistance right here. The first one was here. It didn't respect this one. It didn't respect the second one here, and the market got to this third resistance level. So definitely to a certain to some level of certainty, this market will probably be falling because it has done all the liquidity grabs available to be done, and I think the market is getting exhausted. If you know anything about sentimental analysis, if you look at this candle, 1 hour candlesticks, you can already see signs of exhaustion. Look at the 4 hour candlesticks, you can already see signs of exhaustion with these last 4 candles. Okay, so to an extent, I think this market will probably be falling. On a daily time frame, we are still on a downtrend, as you can see, because this was the previous high, this was the previous low, then we had a high, then the market gave us a lower low. So we are yet to break and close above this high, or the market is yet to give us a higher low. So that said, this market might still bounce up from here and still keep going all the way down. So I'll just keep my eyes on this. I'm following this up from the 1 hour time frame. From the 1 hour time frame, all I need right now is just a break and close probably below this initial low. If we get a break and close below this one, that would be nice. Any little retracement, I'll actually be dropping this market all the way from here. Okay, so if you want to go aggressive on this, you can wait for a break and close below this level, and you can actually decide to sell from here. If the market breaks and close below this low right here, you can actually decide to sell from here. If that happens, this will probably be your entries. Push this all the way up to give you all the leverage possible, then push all the way down. So this probably will give you, let's say, maybe 1:3. You can take a 1:2, you can take a 1:3. Anyway, your trading style permits. This will likely be what we'll get on AUD CAD. So that's my prediction for AUD CAD. So let's move out to USD CAD. USD CAD also has quite a similar analysis. Okay, so as you can see on the daily time frame, we are actually on a downtrend. We were on an uptrend all the way from here. Then we had a low, a higher high, then we got a lower low, and right here we had a lower high. Okay, so probably we've not been able to break above this high or have a low, a higher low. The market is still on a downtrend, okay, from a daily time frame. So I'll actually be looking out for sell opportunities. So on the 4 hour time frame, I'm seeing that good looks like good amount of liquidity has been grabbed, so this market will likely be falling anytime soon. Okay, so it's quite dicey. Keep your eyes peeled, right? So if I were you, I'll be following this on the 1 hour time frame, not on the 15 minutes time frame. You would definitely want to get a double top happen. Make sure that this top is not higher than this previous one, just to be very definite in your entries. Just make sure that the high, the next high will not be higher than this one. Then any drop from there, you can decide to actually start selling from here, right? So just keep your eyes peeled on that. Okay, so I'm expecting a fall to happen on USD CAD based on my analysis on a daily time frame. So keep your eyes peeled on that one. So let's go over to the last currency pair, which is GBP JPY. GBP JPY, I was looking out for a sell last week. In fact, I lost some money. I think it was probably on Wednesday or Thursday or so on GBP JPY. I lost the trade on GBP JPY because I was hoping that the drop was going to happen. I think it was about this area right here. That was when I entered the sell. The market gave me some pips. I didn't take profit, and the market moved, against me and closed me out of the trade. But that's fine, because opportunities always come in the forex market. So this week, I'm hoping that this market actually falls. On the daily time frame, we've been having series of lower highs and lower lows. 4 hour time frame also, we can see series of lower highs, lower lows. So this market would definitely looks like it's going to be dropping. I'm not going to be very definite on GBP JPY, because if you look at a weekly time frame, it's also possible that this market might want to retest this multi-year high that we are seeing here. Okay, this first one, 188.63 zone, it might even persist to actually get to this multi-year high right here, 194.456. So I'm very skeptical, but for the meantime, my bias is actually favoring the sell side. So on a 1 hour time frame, I'm following this up, looking for opportunity to sell. This is already looking like a good head and shoulders pattern from what you can already see here. This being the first shoulder, the head, the second shoulder, then we are back right here. So if we're able to get a break and close below the neckline here, then this market might just be falling. Okay, so this is the neckline right here. This is the neckline. So if we get a break and close below this neckline, this market will likely be falling all the way back to this previous support level. So that's what I'm looking out for on GBP JPY. So keep your eyes peeled for a sell opportunity. If you want to join my private premium mentorship program, where I teach people how to manage portfolio, how to be excellent in trading, take trading as a career, not hit and run, not a mindset of account doubling and all those kind of baby mindsets that new traders have in the market. If you want to be mentored by me and my team of expert traders, join the Cash Club 500 program. The link is on the description. Go to our website, check out all about the program. We are here to make some updates on the channel, on the website, sorry. So but however, it's actually the same program that we're going to see on the website. So grab that program with your 2 hands. Let me teach you how to make money from the Forex market. I've been doing the Forex market for 7 years, and I've been making money consistently for the past 4 years. Okay, so you want to learn how I've been able to make money, how I make money steadily on the Forex market, and how I've been able to teach hundreds of students how to do the same. Join that program. The link is in the description right now. Grab that program with your 2 hands. Let me make money from the Forex market. So that says, subscribe to this channel. If you are yet to subscribe, click the thumbs up button so that you don't miss out any content I put out on this channel. I put out quality content on this channel. So that said, love you guys. Have a wonderful time in the market. Have a beautiful week trading. Goodbye.